in regards to panel cleaning, it's true you should try to have your panels as clean as you possibly can, but spending too much time and money on ensuring that there's not a speckle of dust on there will not really give you a best result. A panel cleaning, if it's really dirty, yes, warranted. If your panel has got a slight amount of dust on it, the increase in efficiency that you're going to gain is not necessarily as much as you're going to pull out of your pocket to ensure that that's maintained. So be aware of that. Make sure that you're making the right decision, not because it's going to give somebody some money in their pocket. It's going to ultimately give you the best result and increase that efficiency if it's warranted. But you can visually see it. If you think it's quite dirty, yes, clean it. If you think it's a little bit dusty, the next rain will generally take care of all of that. If your panel has got a small amount of dust and by cleaning it you're likely to improve 5% efficiency, that 5% efficiency in terms of the cost relationship may be lost by the cost of that cleaning process, where that cleaning process will have cost you 25% of that perceived saved energy, so you're still in negative, and after a year you still haven't retrieved your money back from having had it cleaned to really improve it by just that 5%. So judge the warrant in having that done and ensure that it's not just somebody that's got a hose and a bucket that's going to put water on it and give it a scrub and all that. Have somebody that's going to come out, not just potentially clean your panels, but also give it an electrical look, an electrical inspection, ensuring that mechanically it's sound, electrically it's sound, and if it needs a bit of cleaning, they'll also advise you and they'll tell you, give it a clean, it'll improve it. But having that qualified person carry out that inspection makes sense rather than just somebody with a hose and a bucket.